All right, so this is a video for promoting Northwestern Hair Restoration's main page, this overall promotion for the business. Keywords like hair transplantation Chicago, hair restoration, hair replacement, all those ones. We're gonna introduce how Northwestern Hair is introducing a new technology that's changing the entire hair loss field. Okay, so right now, the best technology out there, the latest one, has been around for about 20 years. It's called FUE, follicular unit extraction. In this procedure, we're taking out individual units from the back of the head and we're implanting on the top. Now, when we take out these hairs, we use a sharp cylindrical blade that shoots down the hair shaft right down to the follicle. That blade essentially cuts everything in its path. And one of the problems is it can cut off the oil gland and the connective tissues related to the hair. So when you implant the hair, it's awesome because you have hair. However, the hairs may not look as natural as they should. In fact, about 1/3 to half of people say the hairs feel dry and frizzy after an FUE. And it all comes down to how these hairs were taken out and handled during their procedure. Well, in this new technology that Northwestern Hair has introduced, it's called minimally invasive collection by reticular oscillation. Reticular oscillation is a new technology where we vibrate hairs out. We allow the body to deliver them in their natural form. The technology only cuts the outer part of the skin and then starts using suction and vibration to take the grafts out. So you tend to have the oil glands and the connective tissues with the hair and the follicle more so than you would in FUE. You implant these hairs and voila, it looks much more natural. The hairs are lubricated with their natural oils. They tend to be less frizzy, and it becomes really hard to differentiate these grafts or these hairs from the natural hairs. That technology is going to change the face of hair restoration for one other reason. Using this technology, we can transplant hairs in their full length. Now, normally in FUE procedure, you have to shave the hair down so the machine can collect these hairs. And that rotating, unless those hairs have to be buzzed down because that rotating blade would otherwise get hairs caught in it. But now that we're using vibration and suction, this technology is actually able to remove the hair without it needing to be cut. The benefit is you can actually see the results right away, so you make sure you're getting the density you want for the patient. During the healing process, these hairs still fall out, but it's nice to have that preview to make sure that the procedure is exactly what the patient wants. So Micro has really changed the face of Northwestern Hair Restoration, and it's going to change the face of the hair restoration industry overall.